Hello children, once again welcome to my YouTube channel Quick Learn with Vijisha. In the last video we had done with problem set 17 question number 1. Now we will see question number 2, that is find an equivalent fraction with denominator 18. Means we have to make the denominators 18 for this question. So let's see how to do this. First question is 1 upon 2. Now we have to make the denominator 18. Denominator means it comes in the down part. So you have to make it 18. In the question it is given to make it 18. Now how we will do this? Here already denominator values are given 2 and 18. So it comes into, if you multiply by 9. Understanding? So we will multiply by 9 for the numerator and multiply 9 for the denominator. 1 9s is 9. 1 upon For 1 upon 2, equivalent fraction is 9 upon 18. Understanding children? Same way we will see one more sum to make the concept clear. So we will see the second question, 2 upon 3. We have to make the denominator as 18. So for 3 and 18, what we will multiply? 6. 3 6 are 18. We will multiply in the numerator as well. So 2 6 will become 12. So for 2 upon 3, your equivalent fraction is 12 upon 18. Understanding? This way you can solve the rest sums. Now we will see for question number 3 to make equivalent fraction with denominator 5. The question is given as 6 upon 15. Now in this question it is given to make the denominator as 5. Now it has reduced. 15 has reduced to 5. So we will put division. If it is reducing, we will put division. If it is increasing, we will put multiplication. Understanding children? So 15, when it will become 5? When you multiply 5 with 3. 5 3s are, when 5 3s are will become 15. So you already 5 is there. You will divide with 3. Understanding children? 3. Now what will be the answer? 3 2s are become 6. So for 6 upon 15, your equivalent fraction will be 2 upon 5. We have reduced the terms by division. Now we will see one more sum to make the concept clear. See, the question is given as 10 upon 25. We have to make the denominator 5. We have to reduce the denominator. So in 5's table at which time? In 5's table at which time 25 comes? 5 5s are. 5 5s are. So already this 5 is written. We will take this 5 for the division. Divided by 5. Both sides. Understanding children? Divided by 5 both sides. Understanding children? So here 5 and 10. 5 2s will become 10. So for 10 upon 25, your answer is 2 upon 5. Hope you are understanding these concepts, children. Now we will see for the fourth part. Question is given as pair of the equivalent fractions. Pair means you have to put the numbers together. You have to see which number comes together. Fractions are given in the question. Now we will pair up. For pair up means we will make a combination of two numbers. So for 2 upon 3, we will check 3. In 3's table 18 goes at 6. 3 6 are 18. But 2 6 are doesn't becomes 14. So this is not the pair. We will check for 18 upon 27. 3 9s are will become 27 and 2 9s are will become 18. So for 2 your pair is 18 upon 27. Now we will see for the second one, 5 upon 7. In 7's table 18 doesn't goes nor 33 goes. So the pair will be 14. We will check 7 2s are 14 and 5 2s are 10. So the pair will be this one. Now remains 18 and 33. In 11's table 33 goes. So the pair for 5 upon 11 will be 33. Understanding children? This will be the pair. And the last number 7 upon 9 will be for the pair of this. I hope you are understanding children. Now we will see the fifth question. Find two equivalent fractions. we given as 7 upon 9. We can take any of the numbers and make it into bigger fractions. Like if you take 2 in the numerator and denominator, so 7 twos will become 14 and 9 twos will become 18. This is one fraction. Now we have to find one more fraction. So 7 upon 9 is your question. We will take 4. Anything here 4. So 7 fours are just 28 and 9 fours are just 36. So this is your second fraction. Two fractions you have to find. If the question was to find 3 equivalent fractions, so 3 multiplications you would make. So this is the 2 fractions. Hope you are understanding the concept, students. So do like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you, students.